hatutaki chakula.
Ni umwe wa aciari aria matari marona ciana ciao kurumirira mutino wa mwaki thukuru-ini wa Hillside, thirikari ikinyiriria a Kenya mathi na mbere na gweterera namba ya aria makuite kumana na mutino ucio.
Sisi tunataka watoto, hatutaki chakula tafadhali, hatutaki chakula.
Mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura augite gukinyiria riu andu 18 nio maekiritwo mukode gukua.
It's a DNA process that will take quite a number of time, a long time, I beg your pardon. So please, a number of days. So don't really rush to make conclusions about the numbers.
Gukinyiria riu arutwo 69 nio marikitie kuheo motaro ni maafitha a honge tiganite ari hamwe na a ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune.
Conclusion of the investigations, while the cause of the fire has not yet been conclusively identified, the government confirms that it has mobilized all relevant agencies and continues to work diligently to conduct this investigation throughout. Those found responsible will be brought to justice.
Minister wa githomo akiuga thirikari ni kumurika kana mendekithia maria marutitwo ni kamiti ya kumurika wagiriru wa mathukuru mwaka wa 2020 ni matugo watho.
What age should we send our children to boarding schools at? These are questions that we need to ask ourselves, not just as a ministry but as parents as well. When you take your children to school, do you check where your children are going to sleep? What, these are some of the little oversight things you can do.
Thirikari igithi na mbere na kuhoya aria mangikorwo na arutwo micii na aria mateyandikithitie gwika uguo na uhurite na rikirutwo a Kenya kugia na ukiririria.
Undu uria ungi no wega kugweta ati ni turoria andu a itura riri wa mbere tukimacokeria ngatho tondu nio maguthukire na magiuka gututeithiriria kuhoria mwaki na kuri twana tumwe ringi twaumire guku tugithie mundu akoya gake na kaonge aria mangikorwo mekete ugu ni turamahoya mahure thimu ya 1199 niyo ya Red Cross nigetha maripoti ati mena twana tou na nigetha tugitara twana turia tureciria ni tuwe haria turi tukorwo tukimenya kuria twana tuikaire.
Ni nduku ya keri ya uthuthuria wa mutino wa mwaki uria wahanekire thukuru-ini uyu o riri thirikari ithite na mbere na kuremwo ni gutariria namba ya andu aria makuite kumana na mutino uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njeta Theuri wa Mbogo.